Hello everyone. So again your Asha ma'am is there with the explanation of new chapter, that is chapter number 10 verbs. Okay, I know that you know that the what are the verbs. आपने बहुत बार you have solved this type of examples, the verbs example. Okay, so you know that the verb is the main part of the sentence, है ना. The verb is the main part of sentence and many types of verbs are there. बहुत तरीके के verbs होते हैं, no doubt. Some like few types of verbs are there, not many types of verbs. ठीक है, मैम कभी कभी बहुत ज़्यादा बोल जाता है, but don't mind it. Okay, so yes, here we are going to learn about the verbs. ठीक है, हम verbs के बारे में सीखेंगे. So what are first of all what are the verbs? Verbs होते क्या है? So that we are going to learn first of all or see first of all. So yes, they are nothing but the doing or the action words, है ना. Verbs are nothing but the doing or the action words. जो action words होते हैं, like here you can see that Harriet at lunch, then Sally can sing well, Jody loves to cook, then Daniel likes to swim. So these are the actions: eating, singing, cooking, then swimming. Okay, so these all are the actions. Okay, these all are the doing verbs only. उसको आप doing words भी बुला सकते हो, action words भी बुला सकते हो. So in the sentence, if any action is going on, अगर कोई सेंटेंस में कोई काम हो रहा है, लाइक ईटिंग, देन डांसिंग, स्विमिंग, लाइक आई एम राइट नाउ स्पीकिंग, यू आर लिसनिंग, एट द सेम टाइम यू आर वॉचिंग. सो दीज ऑल आर द एक्शंस. ओके, नो डाउट टेंसेस वाइज द फॉर्म्स ऑफ द एक्शन कैन बी चेंज्ड. ओके, इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस it can be with ing or no ing will be there if it is a routine task. No doubt when you will go to the next classes, then only you are going to learn about the different tenses and their implication. But here आपको इतना ही याद रखना है that whatever doing words are there, they are the action words or they are the verbs basically. Okay, so let us move to the next slide. So here मैंने बोला था that some few types of verbs are there, but in your syllabus it has been given as main verbs and helping verbs. So these two types of verbs we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, what are the main verbs and what are the helping verbs. ठीक है, so हमने अभी जो देखा this swimming, dancing, eating, drinking, watching, listening, hearing, so these all are the main verbs. Okay, इन सबको क्या बोलते हैं? main verbs. Okay, or we can say not main verbs, we can say them or we can call them as action words. Okay, उसको हम action words बुलाएंगे या तो फिर verbs बुलाएंगे. What we call them? Verb. The sing, dance, watch, listen, swim. Okay, climb, write, read, these all are the verbs. Okay, no doubt the different forms of verbs are also there, that also we are going to learn in your next classes. Okay, so let us move to the next slide. Like first of all, what is the main verb? Main verb क्या होता है? Ma'am has told you that two types of verbs are there, main verbs and helping verbs. So in that first we are going to learn about what is the main verb. So main verb क्या होता है? The main verbs are usually the action verbs that come after the helping verbs. ओके, तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स के बाद में जो आता है दे आर द मेन वर्ब्स एंड मेन वर्ब्स में बी अ लिंकिंग और एन एक्शन वर्ब. सो यस, मेन वर्ब को लिंकिंग वर्ब भी बोला जाता है और एक्शन वर्ब भी बोला जाता है. तो देखो, इफ यू लर्न अबाउट द हेल्पिंग वर्ब देन ओनली यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट द मेन वर्ब्स. ओके, तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या होते हैं दैट ऑल्सो वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. बट यहाँ पे आपको इतना याद रखना है, इफ इन द सेंटेंस नो हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स आर देयर. ओके, तो वहाँ पे आपको मिलेंगे मेन वर्ब्स. मीन्स आफ्टर द सब्जेक्ट यू कैन सी दैट subject. Okay, so I hope that you are having the knowledge of subject. So subject means the person whom we are talking for. Like in example 1, like she looks happy, so we are talking about her, that is she. हम she की बात कर रहे हैं अभी. So she is our subject. Okay, in the second sentence, like the police are looking for the suspect. So here what we are talking about or for whom we are talking about? The police. हम पुलिस की बात कर रहे हैं. So the police is our subject. So you'll find main verb immediately after the subject. Okay, because these are the like we can say that main verbs. Looks, looking. Okay, these are the main verbs. But यहाँ पे in the second sentence you have seen that after police R has been written, ARER, like the police are looking for the suspect, because the sentence is in present continuous tense. That also you are going to learn about in your next classes. Okay, what is present continuous tense? मतलब पुलिस अभी जो सस्पेक्ट है, जिसके ऊपर उनको शक है, उनको वो ढूंढ रही है, ठीक है. So here R is the helping verb and looking is the main verb, and if the helping verb will not be there, then after subject immediately you can find your main verb. Okay, let us move to the next slide. Like यहाँ पे helping verbs are there. So what are the helping verbs? अभी आपने देखा main verbs क्या होते हैं, like whatever main action is going on in the sentence, they are your main verbs. Okay, तो helping verb क्या हुआ है बेटा? So a helping verb works together with the main verbs. Okay, always they work together with the main verbs. ठीक है, like यहाँ पे देखो some examples are there. She is living. So we are talking for she right now. हम she की बात कर रहे हैं अभी, तो she is our subject. Okay, now is there and living का मतलब कहीं अगर आप कोई प्लेस को छोड़ के जा रहे हो, so that is called leaving, LEAVING, leaving. Okay, so your leaving is your main verb. What is the actual action that is going on? कौन सा एक्चुअल एक्शन हो रहा है अभी? तो कोई लड़की जो है, दैट गर्ल इज लिविंग सम प्लेस. ओके, तो मतलब वो वहां से जा रही है, उसको छोड़ के जा रही है. सो वो काम पहले हो रहा है. सो योर लिविंग इज द मेन वर्ब एंड इज ऑलरेडी देयर, लाइक इज इज ऑल्सो देयर, जो शी के बाद में है. ओके, इट मीन्स इज इज हेल्पिंग द मेन वर्ब लिविंग. ओके, अगर आप ऐसे बोलोगे शी लिविंग, सो इट इज नॉट मेकिंग एनी सेंस. ठीक है, for that you need to write is, because is the helping verb which is helping the main verb, and that main verb is in this sentence is leaving. ठीक है, yes, and the another sentence is also that I have finished my work. Okay, so here finished is the main verb. No doubt this tense is new for you. This is the that present perfect tense. Okay, so यहाँ पे I finished my work, मैंने अपना काम खत्म कर लिया. Okay, this sentence is in past tense. So have यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, have is the helping verb and finished जो काम हो चुका है, that is the main verb. Okay, no doubt ये आपको बहुत like have जो है helping verb के तौर पे हम वो बाद में सीखेंगे. That will be in your chapter number 12. Okay, in chapter number 12 only we are going to learn about this have, has and all. Okay, but यहाँ पे आपको याद रखना है that after subject if you will find is, am, are, so they are the helping verbs, और उसके बाद का if any verb, if another action word is there, so that is your main verb. Okay, चलो, so यहाँ पे the verb to be have been given to you, like I am, you are, he is, she is, we are. So this is, am, are. Okay, I have written here also. So these are your helping verbs. What are the helping verbs? In present tense, 3 helping verbs are there. We are talking about the present tense right now, not the past tense. We are talking about the present tense. So in present tense, 3 helping verbs are there. That is, am and are. Okay, so is and am, both helping verbs you can use for the present tense, that is in singular form when the subject will be singular, like he, she, it. These are the singular subjects, or in the place of he, she, it you may find the person's name like Anil, Rekha, or any cat, dog, that way. Okay, so yes, if for the singular subject is there, though you can use the helping verb is. M तो हमेशा I के साथ जाएगा, because I and M both are the best friends. Okay, so M will always go with the subject I. If I am going to talk like I am talking about myself, so with I always I have to say M. Okay, in the present tense I am talking about the present tense. फिर आप तो बोलोगे मैम हम तो was भी यूज करते हैं, I was in the school yesterday, so वहाँ पे तो M नहीं आया, because you are not talking about the present tense right now, you are talking about the past tense. That's why only you have used was. Otherwise, if you are talking about any present tense sentence and you are using subject I, then with I you are supposed to write am as the helping verb. Okay, no like if you want to use it. And R is for the plural subjects. Okay, you, no doubt you is in singular also, you is in plural also. So in with you, even with like they, we, these kind of subjects will be there, then you have to use are. And even any plural subject is there, like people, children. Okay, so this way, like cats, dogs, these are in plural. बहुत सारे हैं. I have taught you what are singular, what are plural. So for singular kind of subject you can use is, and for plural kind of subject you can use are, and for I in present tense you can use am always. Okay, so these are your verbs to be. ये आपके to be के verbs हैं. Okay, याद रखना इसको. चलो, तो यहाँ पे आई हैव गिवन सम ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस के एग्जाम्पल है ये. एफर्मेटिव एग्जाम्पल्स मीन्स दे आर नॉट नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस, नॉट वाले सेंटेंसेस नहीं है, दे ऑल आर द पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस. लाइक आई एम अ टीचर, दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. ओके, यू आर अ स्टूडेंट, आप स्टूडेंट हो. यू आर स्टूडेंट्स, आप सारे के सारे स्टूडेंट्स हो. ठीक है, दे आर स्टूडेंट्स, वो सबके सब स्टूडेंट्स है. ठीक है, देन शी इज अ स्टूडेंट, ही इज अ स्टूडेंट, इट इज एन एप्पल, एंड वी आर टीचर्स. ओके, सो यू कैन see that with which subjects we can use which type of helping verbs. ठीक है, that, so sorry I have explained you. Now here let us talk about the present continuous tense, because in your textbook it has been given like is, am, are, उसके साथ how you are going to use the verb ing. ओके, आप ing फॉर्म कब यूज करोगे विद द हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स इज, एम एंड आर. सो दैट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न इन दिस स्लाइड, बिकॉज एंड दैट टेंस इज कॉल्ड द प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. ओके, दैट टेंस विल कॉल, जैसे ऊपर के जितने भी आपने एग्जाम्पल्स दिखे, दे ऑल आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट द प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. नाउ व्हाट इज प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस बेटा? First of all, you have to understand what is present continuous tense. So, if any action is going on right now, if any action is going on right now, for denoting that type of action, you have to write the sentence in the present continuous tense. Like right now, what I am doing, मैं अभी क्या कर रही हूँ? So, I am teaching you, I am explaining all the slides. So, which tense I am using? Present continuous tense. You are watching me right now, you are listening me right now. Okay, so for that type of thing you are using, or we can use the present continuous tense. Now what is the structure of present continuous tense? So with the help of helping verbs, after writing the helping verb, you have to convert the verb after adding ing. जैसे कि यहाँ पे देखो ride दिया हुआ है. So you can see that, you can say that the boy is riding a bicycle. The boy is riding a bicycle. तो ride का ing फॉर्म क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? Riding. Listen का ing फॉर्म? Listening. Watch का ing फॉर्म? Watching. And that way you have to frame the sentence. यहाँ पे देखो, he is riding his bike. Bike और bicycle both are things same. She is listening to music. They are watching TV. So here with he, what helping verb we have put? Is only. With she, as it is also in singular, so we have put the helping verb is. Okay, and they are in plural. So with they, which helping verb will be there? Are. Okay, and after that what you need to do, you have to add ing after the verb. So ride will become riding, listen will become listening, and watch will become watching. Okay, so that way you have to convert the sentences in present continuous. So in these sentences like riding, listening, watching are the main verbs. Okay, so these main verbs, because the main action was taking place, the main action is going on. What is the main action that goes on into that sentences? Riding, listening, and watching. Okay, so these are the main verbs. They show the action taking place when we talk about them, and a verb used with the main verb to complete the meaning of a sentence is called the helping verb. So we have seen that these is, are the helping verbs. Okay, chalo. So this you have to learn in this chapter. First is, am, are, they are the helping verbs, and how you can convert the sentence, how you can write the sentence in the present continuous tense by adding ing into the verb. तो ये चार चीज़ें हम इस चैप्टर में सीखे हैं. ओके, सो चलो, आई होप दैट यू गॉट द लेसन वेरी वेल. आपको सब कुछ समझ में आ गया होगा, बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. ओके, एंड आई होप दैट यू हैव नोटेड द डाउट्स ऑल्सो. इफ यू हैव नॉट noted that, then please watch the video again, note the doubts, and let me know in our Zoom class. Okay, chalo, your ma'am is signing off beta. Bye bye.